Hey everybody, it's Joe. I'm doing my 30 favorite places in 30 days, and today I'm standing at Olney Boys and Girls Club, Freeman Fields. This is definitely one of my favorite places for two reasons. It's about people and it's about place, and I'll tell you a little bit about the place. So this right behind me is Falling Green. This is one of the oldest structures in all of Olney. It was built in 1764. OBGC purchased the land, the 118 acres, and have developed it into ball fields, concession stands, and there's also the Field of Screams event that happens in the fall. Well, it's also one of the big things, to me, it's about people, right? This is a place, when I come here, I get to see some of my favorite people. I get to watch my kids play sports. And I've been thinking a lot about this with all of the social injustice that's been going on in our society, and a lot of praying and a lot of thinking about that. Is my family, what we want to do is donate 2 scholarships to fall sports, one for football and one for soccer, to a needy family out there that maybe has been underserved by the community that could use some help. Because what I've always found is that in sports, we're all on the same team. Doesn't matter race, religion, creed, you are on the same team, and that's kind of the great equalizer. So I'd love to give a kid maybe who wouldn't be able to play sports otherwise a chance to do that. So if you know someone who would benefit from this, please direct message me, text me, call me, email me. Olney Boys and Girls Club is a great place to gather and to be with friends and family. Have a great day and look forward to seeing you guys here at OBGC.